Hi, it's Todd Walker, Portfolio Manager at Hutchinson Family Office. I just want to take a moment to discuss the most recent Fed's decision to increase rates by 75 basis points. The target rate now is between 3.75 and 4%. This is a rate we haven't seen since January of 2008. This continues the Fed on the mark of their most aggressive Fed tightening policy that we've seen since the early 1980s, the last time inflation was this high. Everyone was looking to see if the Fed would give any indication that they may be slowing the pace of interest rate increases in the near future. Powell was quick to say that thought it was premature to talk about slowing the pace of tightening at this point, but they would maybe have the discussion at their next Fed meeting in December. At this point, the Fed is a lot more concerned about not raising rates fast enough than raising rates too quickly. The Fed did acknowledge, though, that they would pay attention to how the economy reacts to the rate increases that they've done thus far when they talk about future tightening. It usually takes somewhere between 6 months to 18 months before the effects of an interest rate increase will hit the economy. So at this point, we think it's a 50-50 chance whether the Fed will raise rates by 50 basis points or 75 basis points in their next meeting in December. At that meeting, they would have had 2 employment reports, 2 inflation reports, and the results of the midterm elections. So at this point, we think the markets will continue to be very volatile until the Fed slows the pace of increases or stops sometime at the first quarter of next year. As far as how we're managing the portfolios, we're being very defensive at this time. We are a lot more concerned with preservation of capital and protecting against downside risk than we are anything else. So at this point, we're looking at things that go into different allocations that will persevere well in case we go into a recession. We really appreciate the trust that you put in our portfolio team here at Hutchinson Family Office. If you have any questions or concerns, please just give us a call. We'll be able to answer anything we can. Thanks again for your time. Thanks.